Hi.
Just my mom.
And what's your name?
My name is Penelope, and we have seen you guys on 5 a week because we have seen you a lot of times. That just made it very completely. So let's get started.
Okay.
So-
What are we doing today?
We're making a science experiment. So I don't know what's called, but still cool.
It's kind of going to be like a volcano.
Yeah, but it's gonna be different.
Okay.
First off,
First, we're going to get the baking soda.
baking soda.
Okay. Go ahead and pour some baking soda in there. You're supposed to measure it, but we're just going to eyeball it today. Shake, shake, shake. Okay.
That's enough.
Kind of looks like a lot, but whatevs. We have food coloring, so we have yellow and we have green.
Yeah. My favorite color is the best comes out green.
Green, okay. Squeeze some of that in there, Bubba.
Whoa.
Okay. You need about a tablespoon of soap.
Soap,
So these are all your base
the base.
ingredients.
So I'm
About a tablespoon.
about a tablespoon because you always did it on 5 weeks. Because
Okay.
my mom is gonna come pick me up on 14/5.
Okay, come on. Don't spill that. Get down. Okay. And we're gonna go outside so we don't make a mess.
So we cannot do that. I mean, so
Ooh, it's hot out here.
doing the science experiment
Okay.
related.
We'll put it on this little table right here in the rocks. Put the cup on there.
Doesn't stand because there's a lot of holes.
There are a lot of holes here, right? Let's see.
Perfect. That'll be perfect.
That's not gonna work. All right, we'll just put it on the rocks. Okay. Now,
We put the vinegar in so we don't make a mess.
okay. Ready? Here it goes.
Okay.
What's gonna happen?
Come
Uh-oh.
on. Okay, it's coming. Sure, keep coming. It's gonna be just like the one that.
What's happening?
No. Has to explode. Uh-oh. Ah! It's dripping. It's dripping.
It's a volcano!
Yeah. Ew, it stinks.
All right, so thanks for watching our video.
Thanks for watching our video. Bye.